Alright, Alyssa, you got open up Maisie, and what else you got in the bag?
I had a mask.
It's an eye mask.
Oh, thank you. I needed one of those.
Okay, next up.
Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, I know it. I just coughed a bit.
What's inside the present?
Oh, my chikorita. Right?
That's great. But be careful, don't knock your drink.
Here, I'll move it over.
Okay, that's good. Chikorita, good. What else is in the bag?
Oh yeah, and I'll put my carnage here. Carnage. I'll get my card next. Oh, lollipop.
That's right, a lollipop. Open up the card.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yeah, I don't need to keep the paper, so I'll be careful on my card, but it doesn't matter.
Alright. Who it is?
Sunny.
Great, you're 24.
Yep, and you're changing the name, and then
Yeah.
thank you. Alright, and then I'll put that there.
Okay. What else is in there? Oh, careful.
I know. Yeah, I don't want my bag to drop, sorry. Alright.
I wonder what it's inside. It's...
Hey, nice.
What is it?
My DVDs
Our
of
strawberry shortcake? Yes. Milo Pony and Lois Pet Shop?
and my Sonic the Hedgehog 2.
It's finally here!
Thank you. And now we need the third one after when it comes out. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. 2 more.
2 more?
Yep.
Okay, what's inside?
Oh, nice.
What's in there?
My Little Pony guidebook.
And also,
yeah. Nice.
you got the Loud House comic book. Your first
Finally.
one.
Yeah, finally. Now I can read it. I've been waiting.
And the last one in the bag?
Oh, nice. Man, Pokemon Violet.
That's great. Your
Yeah.
first Pokemon game.
Yeah, finally.
Looks like that's all the presents you open up.
Thank you.